we will be making banana foster pancakes. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Let's jump right into the ingredients. We'll be using flour, white sugar, baking powder, butter, egg, almond milk, salt, and any of these ingredients, if you don't have them on hand, I'm sure you can find them at your local grocery store. The recipe actually calls for whole milk, but we don't really have whole milk in the house, so we're just gonna use a little bit of this almond milk. Let's jump over to the banana foster pancake ingredients. So brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, another thing of butter here, some bananas, vanilla extract. This is heavy cream, and it calls for dark rum, but we have some Hennessy on hand, so we would just go ahead and swap that out for that. But you use whatever you like. so we are just about done with our banana foster. And man, if you could just, come a little closer here. If you could just smell this, oh man, you would smell all of the good yumminess that is in this. The Hennessy comes through, the cinnamon comes through. Oh man, it smells like sweet heaven, I tell you. Please try this, you guys. You have to. It's delicious. It smells amazing. Alrighty, so here we have our banana foster. Oh my gosh. Look at how yummy this looks, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. We're just gonna scoop you all over. Yes. Okay, you guys, so look how great this turned out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to take a bite. I just can't wait. You guys, if you could smell just how good this smells. The Hennessy, the cinnamon, everything's just coming right through. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's just dig in. Buttermilk pancakes. We have to get all this sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Immediately, I taste the banana. I didn't even have a piece of it, but immediately I taste the banana in the foster. I'm overwhelmed by just how rich and flavorful this tastes, you guys. You have to try this recipe. I would not steer you wrong. Please give it a try. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up, please, and like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later, guys. So good. Oh my gosh.